Okay. There's Nena. That was the one that the eagle almost ripped her throat entirely out. She's doing
really good.
Awesome. It's been like what, like a month and a half?
Yep.
So.
Nena!
Nena!
I think that's Nena right there.
Yeah, right here.
No.
Yeah, she's right here.
Oh, no, I meant Sweetie.
Oh.
Sweetie!
Yeah, she's doing good.
I wonder why Nena was like, huh?
Alright, bye.
We're in the wild with the geese.
Hi, Feather.
There's Feather and there's
Hi, Tiger.
Tiger and there's Catherine. And then we span over here. And in the back we have the white egret that comes over every day. His name is Ivory. Hello, Ivory!
Hey.
What a sweetie. Oh, and who's back there?
Mama Osprey.
Is that an osprey? No, that's a flower. Never mind. Where's Mama Osprey? And then we go, sorry guys, up here is, up there she is, Mama Osprey. That's not our mama because she would have came back. Okay. Bye guys. Hey guys, we have an eagle right there. Flying.
No.
It's an eagle.
Now Nena came back up. Hi, sweetie.
Very cool. Okay, and we found Sweetie. Sweetie. There's our Sweetie. She is so
Nena.
affectionate. I love her.
Look,
Sweetie.
baby. Neno.
Nino's a little, oh, he's Rammy. He doesn't want anyone near us. Yeah. Sweetie.
Hi, sweetie.
Sweetie, what you doing,
it's
baby
okay.
girl? Hi.
Look at this, J.O.
This one?
Where's
Hi,
Tappy?
sweetie. Come here.
Hi, Nena.
Yes, Nena and Nino and Mommy and Daddy. Nina's neck is looking so good, guys. Look at that. Her neck is looking
And
so
eyebrow is hurt.
good. Aww.
He's out in the water.
And then there's eyebrow here.
I
This
think
one's
I
a
carried him
different
out.
new eyebrow. But Caddy, he's got a limp to him. But he was like choking. So Caddy put him out in the water and now he's able to drink. Which I'm glad.
Mommy.
Mommy's being a butthead. I don't know where Sweetie went. She went that way.
Yeah, she usually disappears.
Okay, bye guys.